Treatment and prevention. Cause and treatment. Vocal fold hemorrhage or muscle tension dysphonia. Resting your voice or voice therapy with a speech-language pathologist. Colds and sinus infections. Over-the-counter medications or antibiotics for bacterial infections. Laryngitis. Antibiotics or corticosteroids. GERD antacids, proton pump inhibitors and/or lifestyle modifications. Vocal nodules, cysts and polyps, or papillomas. Surgery and/or voice therapy. Here are some suggestions. Quit smoking. Stay away from secondhand smoke. Avoid beverages that have alcohol and/or caffeine. Drink plenty of water. Use a humidifier. Avoid spicy foods. Avoid activities that strain your voice, like speaking for a long time, speaking loudly or shouting. Use an amplifying device like a microphone or megaphone when you do activities that could strain your voice. Follow for more information.